welcome to my channel. For who are new, I'm Salsa here, and in today's video I'm going to eat a candy, Indonesian candy. I don't have this sponsor for the brand or whatever, but yeah, I'm going to show you about a few candy, only 6 kind of type of candy I will eat in this video. And yes, I'm wearing this witch hat, actually witch hat in a headband. I made it myself actually, and if you wanted to purchase it, it's only available in Indonesia. I put the link in the description box below. Yes, so happy Halloween. I like Halloween, even though in Indonesia we don't really celebrate Halloween. But yeah, I love Halloween because and this time I can buy like a huge pack of candy and without any regret that I cheat on my diet whatsoever. But yeah, I already picked 6 kind of type of candy. Maybe I will make the guessing on it. This is my huge bag of candy nowadays, and yeah, I already picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put another one. Okay, this is it. So 7, I guess. This is a fun gum. It's from UP. I bought it online, some of it, but yeah, I found it in the grocery store also. Another UP. And this is the different kind of brand. This is Rosa. Which one I should go first? Oh, I love peach, so I'm gonna go with the peach one. Alright. Oh, it smells really good. I have these. Oh, this look like the ring though. You know the Haribo's one? I love the Haribo. Okay, I love the Haribo peach gummy candy, and I thought it has the same smell with that. I don't know which one I like better. I never tried this one before, even though it's from Indonesia. It's the Haribo's one. I know it's weird, but yeah, I'm going to drink first. I brew myself my strawberry tea today, and yeah, oh, I love it with really less sugar because I know I will eat a bunch of sugar in this video. Okay, let's dig in this one. Oh my god, it's sour. Ooh, it's a bit sour. But it's kind of tastes like the Haribo's one. Even though this one are more, chewy than the Haribo's one that have a bit hard. But yeah. Next one. I gotta go with this one. Sour oat grape. It doesn't smell like anything though. On a plate. Oh, it popped up with a different color. It has 4, 5 different color. We'll try one. Like blue is my favorite. Yes, I wear this shirt. I thought it will be sour, but it doesn't sour. It's more sweet than I expected it. It's not sour at all for me. even though I don't really like sour thing. Another one, yellow one. It's really sour. I imagine I am. Yeah. But really, I can't tell what flavor it is. I know, yeah, I know. Okay, next one. This is apple ring from another UV. Why today I have the only sugary one? I have no idea. I'll just grab it. Maybe at the top of my bag it's always the sugary things. Oh my god, it's so hard. Oh, it smells like so apple. Let's try this one. It's actually have a Hallo, just like the other two. Yeah, it's also have a Hallo. It's actually refreshing. Not sour at all. I can tell. I'm not the person like I like sour thing, but it doesn't sour at all. Next one. This is a fun gum. Also sugary. I don't know. What is it? Let's open it up. Oh, it has a different kind of so fun gum. Okay. It's also hollow, but it's only yellow. I'm going to try it. Is that banana? Oh, it is banana. And also I have the shape of banana here. I thought it would be marshmallow, but it doesn't. It's actually gummy. It is, tastes like banana. I'm trying another one. Oh yeah, this is the first time for me to eat this candy. This candy. Okay. This one's... I'm going back to this one because I don't know, I've never tried this. I'm going to try it. It's a bit sour though. Orange. Into something like, it's not a sour that you make you sour. No, it's not like that. Okay, in Indonesia we're not really celebrate Halloween, but I thought it's really a fun time of the year because I can buy a bunch of candy like I did and, you know, eat that with no hard feeling and no cheat day, and it's fine to eat a lot of candies, but watch it. If you really eat a lot of candy, you have to brush your teeth and yeah, keep your teeth healthy. And also in here in Indonesia we don't really celebrate it, not even having ornament everywhere, but I kind of love the ornament, the Halloween ornament, like a witch thing or the bat theme, or you know, the purple and lantern, jack-o'-lantern from the pumpkin are made of something like that. I really like it. But yeah, what maybe have a plan for this Halloween? What is it? You can tell me in the comment section below. I just want to know. But for me, this Halloween, I only want to chill with my book. I actually just opened up this book because Yeah, I really love John Grisham. This is the Terror, the Boon, the Fugitive, which is the book 5. I already finished the first and the fourth book, and this is the time for me to read this one. Let's open it up. So from the plastic sealed something, let's get back to these candy things. And here we go, the next one. This is a strawberry kiss. Yeah, it's actually strawberry with cream. I remember to eat this when I was on the elementary school back then. My parent gave me a huge bowl from this candy only, and it's really fun to eat. Here we go. This is the heart shape, just like the name of the candy is just strawberry kiss. I believe it will be perfect if we eat this candy on the Valentine Day either. Yeah, here we go. Just like the old vibes, you know. Sweet. Anyways, on my channel, this is the second time for me to eat the candy in front of you, in front of the camera, of course. And I don't know, I felt like I really like to watch people eat, like a mukbang or the ASMR video on YouTube. And now when I make this video, I know it's kind of weird, but I just want to try it out. Like, why not? Yeah, next one. This is the Relax of Lay. Okay, Spider-Man. I want to smell it. Artificial strawberry. It's actually have shape of a man. Maybe it's a Spider-Man himself. I don't know. Smell. Strawberry. I put it on the plate. It's chewy, but it's good. It has 2 shape and 2 flavor. Maybe I don't try this one, but I already have one. It's shape like this and shape like this. Is also Spider-Man. My imagine is like when Spider-Man hose. Let's get it. I can't guess what flavor it is. Oh, it's blueberry. It's blueberry. The last one, this is the candy Little Stars. It have a different flavor. Let me see. It's orange, apple, strawberry, blackcurrant, lemon, and peach. Ooh, I love peach. Maybe it will be just taste the same as this one, but who knows. Let's try it. I actually love it. I really love to eat this candy. Let's try this Little Star. It has a few different flavor, and I'm going to eat one of each. This one, the first Little Star. This one. Peach. This one's really good. Second one. Oh, the peach one is really different than this one though. This one, I guess it's orange. Ooh, this one is really good orange flavor, and I can't guess from its color only. But here we go. So, maybe it's apple. It is apple. Lemon. Here we go. Come on, don't focus on my face. Just focus on the candy. Here we go. It's all chewy, guys. It's not like hard, you know, Haribo candy is hard. This is soft version from the hard Haribo candy gummy thing. No. And this one is the black currant. Okay. It's actually good. And the last one, I believe, is strawberry from the color, of course. It's a really good strawberry flavor though. I'm going to try this one from the food fun gum thing there. I'm going to try this now. I don't know what flavor it is. But this is the brand new flavor that I'm trying from the gummy candy, which is banana, medium banana. Good. I'm going to eat one more candy and I'm going to cut the video because my sugar level is just it. I'm going to eat this one. It's apple. This is a good one. Try my strawberry tea, my favorite. I already lost the ice because today is so hot, even though in the outside it's rainy day. It's not like always rain, but rainy day, you know, different, right? The good thing it's not sweet. If it's sweet, I'm gonna give up. The good thing it's not sweet. Okay, that is all from my candy video. The second candy video, or the first one, I speak Indonesian. I eat the retro candy. If you want to watch it, I put the link in the description below. And I'll be back with another candy video. That is all. I'll see you on the next candy video. Until next time. Bye bye.